Hello YouTube and welcome to the BP channel. So in today's video guys, I have a really interesting video for you. This is one type of the video that I enjoy making because I'm one that's interested in cars. I'm a car enthusiast really. I like cars. I do not know much about the specifics, the horsepower and whatnot, but really when it comes to cars that look nice, I honestly just stop and take a look. So that's just me. And honestly with YouTube really, it just gives me a chance to take this thing to a place where I'm able to learn more about cars. And today, in today's video, I'm in a Mercedes Benz dealership in China. So this is a Mercedes Benz dealership that I've already been in, but for the sake of this video, I came back just to show you guys some of the cars that they have. So I'll be showing you around some of the cars that they have in this dealership, and really you get to see for yourself what cars they are offering in this dealership, and probably also look at the prices that one can get these cars for. So in this video, if you have any question, please be sure to let me know in the comment section below. Hello guys, welcome to the BP channel. So in today's video, I'm in a Mercedes Benz dealership in China. This is a really big Mercedes Benz dealership, and I'll be showing you around because most people are interested in cars. I am one that's really interested in cars, and if you've seen the first video on the Tesla dealership that's up on this channel, then you will realize that this channel is one that is also for car enthusiasts. You see, in this video, I'll be taking you around the dealership to just show you some of the cars that you might want to see, because really the cars in here are amazing. And guys, let me not spoil anything for you because you really do have to experience the cars. I just want to show you some of the cars that the Mercedes Benz dealerships here in China have to offer. I've had a look at some of them and they are amazing really. So I'll show you around and probably ask someone to help give us the quirks and features, the specifications of some of these cars. But at the end of the day, I really just want to show you the cars that look okay and the cars that do not look alright. Firstly guys, let me just even make this thing clear. I am in no way professional. I do not understand cars as much as other people might do. So the only thing that's there for me with cars is pure interest. I'm really interested in car photography, anything that has to do with cars. I'm your man on that one. Ooh, I don't know if you guys noticed that, but look at this. Ooh, that comes up. So there we go. It retracts. Then that's open. There we go. Ooh, and guys, I don't know if you can see from there, but this is all carbon fiber. The rear view mirror is coated with carbon fiber. So, I feel like I'm cheating everyone at this point. So I should make mention that I'm no expert really on any car things, at least not yet anyway. So in this video, I'll really just be showing you around what really does make sense and what honestly looks good. Did these guys kill it with these cars that they're offering? Or really it's just one of those things that do not look nice, but because it's Mercedes Benz, it's obviously getting a Mercedes Benz. So right now guys, the Mercedes Benz dealerships in China, are really okay, and I want you to make mention that the Mercedes Benz dealerships in China are a bit more expensive. Nah. Alright guys, so like how these dealerships are set up, they're set up in such a manner that you can have someone assist you, or the self-service. So like I could come to this car, right? So I'll look at this car, I'll be like, yo, this car really does look good. And honestly, the red color, it's so smooth. Like I'm literally not seeing any scratches or any marks on it, which really is a plus for me. Like I would really love to have a car which is not scratched or has no such type of things. So this is self-service and this is how it works. So you just have to come here to look at the price, and it's 1,128,800 renminbi, and this is the AMG GLE 53 4matic. So yeah, this is the car that we are looking at today. So like that's self-service. You could come in, open the door, everything is self-service. Oh, and I don't know if you guys noticed that, but as soon as I opened the door, almost everything lit up on the displays that we have really. And like the Teslas that I looked at in the last video, most of the things in these cars are really, they're very automatic, so to say. Because if you notice, one of the main points that I stressed in my last Tesla video was that the Teslas were very modern, in that most of the things that we are looking at were just displays, and you could work your displays. And this is what I'm also getting in this in these cars. So really, a lot of people do come in these cars. They're like able to get the cars that they want from me, and so a lot of people are walking in and going out. But like I said, this is a really big Mercedes Benz dealership, and I told the lady that was supposed to escort me to say it's fine, I'll be with these guys on YouTube, so yeah, they should just leave me alone. And so this is what I'm looking at. Yeah, this is what I'm looking at. One is very smooth when you like hit the door. It's a really very smooth thing. So this is what we have. The back seat. The back seat is also really good. Alright, then I'm off to look at another car, just to like show you, just like to give you an idea of how many cars they have in here. And these are really comfortable places. Let me make mention. As you're waiting, trying to look for your car, you'll be served some tea, some drinks, anything that you want to probably be on the house, so you don't even have to stress much about it. Yeah. Every time you're walking, you find any car that you'll be looking for. So like you have someone to assist you, to help you with your cars, and you'll be good like that. So don't know if you guys can see. This section is for this car. So this section is for this car, the GLE 53, and that's what we're seeing. I know this kind of feels like a vlog, but then I intended it to be that way so that I could really just fill you in as I walk around this dealership. Already one car's been bought. Like from the time that I came in, the car's already left this place. Someone has already got a Maybach, and I wanted to show you guys the Maybach later on, but then since I've been unable to do that, I might as well end my video from here. Alright guys, so this is the Mercedes Benz dealership in China, and if you want to see any other video on any other types of dealerships, please be sure to let me know.